Can you elaborate more on the cell food?
Cell foods are all the nutrient that the human body needs to develop, function, rebuild, and repair itself, such as vitamins, minerals, proteins, lipids, carbs, enzyme, and glucose. These nutrients are present in a variety of the food, including meat, vegetable, bread, and rice. But first, we must know our metabolic type so that we may select the foods that have all the necessary cellular nutrients and are compatible with our unique metabolism in order to be absorbed with our digestive system. Other than that, they are just foods and not cell foods. As an example, if I have a vegetarian metabolic type, like a rabbit, I should get my protein, minerals, and vitamins from vegetables, carbs, and grains rather than meat and chicken. And if my metabolism is more like a dog, a meat eater, I should get more of my protein, minerals, and vitamins from animal goods. That's why there can't be a single diet that works for everyone. When someone is on a certain diet, like the keto diet, and lose weight after following it for a while, others assume this is the right diet for everyone who wants to lose weight and start following it. But to their surprise, they gain weight and feel worse than before. Sadly, we are exposed to a lot of false information from social media daily.
Why do some people lose weight on the keto diet and others don't?
Really interesting question. The first group of people who lose weight on the keto diet is because the keto diet happened to match their metabolic type since they are meat eater, which provide their cells most of the nutrient they need to lose weight and feel better. However, majority of the people in the second group, the followers, were vegetarians. So the diet doesn't match their metabolic type and they will not lose weight and might put on some more weight as a result of that.